Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, today we are going to see another delicious, quick and easy oriental recipe, and it's bok choy mushroom in chili garlic sauce, which is so good to enjoy with fried rice and noodles. So let's get started with this must try oriental recipe, which you are going to love it. And here I've taken some bok choy or pak choy, which has been washed thoroughly, and I have separated the layers. And here in this bowl I have taken some button mushrooms which has been sliced into half, and now we shall prepare a flavorful and spicy sauce. For that we'll take a bowl and into it we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Next goes 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is oyster sauce, adding 1 tablespoon of it, which will add a nice flavor to the recipe. And to add some spiciness, we'll use 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. You can add Schezwan sauce as per your spice level. Then goes half teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. We'll mix all the ingredients once. And into this we'll add a little water so that we get a free-flowing sauce of running consistency. And our flavorful and spicy sauce is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that I have already heated sufficient water in a large vessel, into which I will add half a teaspoon of salt, and as the water starts to boil I will add the bok choy or pak choy and will blanch them for just 1 to 2 minutes. So after 1 minute I will take off the blanched bok choy and immediately transfer them into a bowl of cold water. Next, in a pan we will add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. We'll spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is hot enough we will add the sliced mushrooms. And on medium to high flame we will stir fry the mushrooms until they turn golden brown from both the sides. We will keep on flipping the mushrooms in between so that they evenly turn golden brown from both the sides. And by now the mushrooms are well browned. We'll create some space in the middle of the pan, into which we will add a teaspoon of oil. And now into this we will add 2 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame we will saute them for 1 minute or so until the color slightly changes. And now we will stir fry them along with the mushrooms so that the flavors of onion, ginger, garlic are well incorporated with the mushrooms. Next, into this we will add some green chilli sliced diagonally. For seasoning we will add some salt and some black pepper as per taste. We'll mix this well once. And now time to add the blanched bok choy or pak choy. On high flame we will stir fry them for a few seconds along with the mushrooms. And once all the ingredients are stir fried well, we will add the prepared flavorful and spicy sauce into it. We'll mix this sauce once with the mushrooms and bok choy. And finally into this we will add a small bowl of cornflour slurry, which will help to thicken the sauce. And now we will allow the sauce to simmer for just 1 minute. In the process the sauce will thicken and all the flavors of the sauce will be combined well with the bok choy and mushrooms. And just before turning off the flame we will sprinkle few toasted sesame seeds on top. That's it. Our bok choy mushroom in chili garlic sauce is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this quick and delicious bok choy mushroom recipe, which you can enjoy with sticky rice, fried rice, or even with noodles. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.